What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here, new location, our Airbnb. Tina's here in the background. You won't even believe it. We got an Airbnb in our own city.
We're bougie.
We're bougie. So we're still in Spokane, but we just living it up large. Here's the kitchen. Nothing much to see. You guys just saw the living room. Nothing much to see. And there's no TV here, so.
We bougie on a budget.
We bougie on a budget. Let's just go take a look around. We got bathroom. Yeah. Bunk beds, cause you know we bougie but on a budget. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. What are this?
What is that?
We got a bag of cockroaches. Didn't scare her as much as I thought it would.
It looks so realistic. We should hide it around the house. Oh my god.
Oh, maybe we should put them all in the fridge. Alright.
That's good.
What's up, gang?
We're gonna do an Airbnb tour.
Oh, let's see the bunk bed.
Really?
Where you go on the top one?
Wait, let's finish the tour
Wait,
first.
no, come on.
Let's finish the tour.
Whoa.
What?
Ghost. Ghost.
Yo, who's this?
Oh my god, Johnny, why do you keep saying that?
Oh,
I didn't look in there.
what is this?
I don't know.
What is this? No, I'm not gonna open it. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Let's put it back. Let's do that.
Wow, that's it, huh?
They didn't even open the refrigerator.
Oh my. Yo.
What? What?
What the?
Oh, what the?
For reals?
What?
Yo, for a second I thought that was new. Oh my god, I said no. I was about to close it. I was waiting for this to move to I thought it was slow this thing to
We were
move.
waiting for
Wait, stop fucking open the freezer, and he didn't get open the fridge. He just like, nope. What the hell? Wow, that didn't work. TV setup.
Yeah. When they offer you TV, you bring your own shit.
Oh my god, we have the key.
Tina.
Yo.
God. Guess what time it is? Gingerbread house
Yo,
time.
you know those scared straight?
Oh my god. Oh my god. It smells good. Oh. Wait, where's the box? Because the box is in
Cockroaches.
Guys.
So intense. The teamwork.
Too many to make it smaller.
Chefing it up over there.
Alright, you know when
The blast radius is gonna be pretty big.
You just gotta break
All
everything.
the trash in the middle.
Our candy, our. Oh, legit? House is done.
Oh, do it.
Oh! Well, bam. Who is this?
Oh my god, it's you. Self-portrait.
Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year's from the Brah Club. Click below and subscribe. Make sure you also throw in a like and share, and I will see y'all later. Peace out.